Hey everyone. Tonight we're drifting back to the 13th century, to the windswept steppes of Central Asia, where one man, born into absolutely nothing, decided he'd like to own approximately a quarter of the entire planet. This is the story of Genghis Khan and the Mongol Empire, and I promise you, it's going to be a journey. A very, very long journey. Literally thousands of miles of journey, actually, because that's what the Mongols did best. So go ahead and get comfortable. Dim those lights. Maybe grab an extra pillow. We're going to meander through conquest after conquest, betrayal after betrayal, and enough questionable decision-making to fill a dozen empires. Because tonight, we're not here for excitement. We're here to let the gentle rhythm of history's most successful horse-based military campaign lull us into peaceful sleep. This snippet was just the pillow fluff. For the full, plush narrative, scoot to the description, click our channel link, subscribe, and let every extended episode rock you to sleep.